Hello everyone and welcome to this exciting crafting tutorial. I'm Hiruni and today we have a delightful project in store for you. We'll be diving into the world of crochet with an easy and quick tutorial on creating these charming flower earrings. By the end of this video, you will have a beautiful pair of flower earrings to wear or share with your friends and family. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming crochet tutorials and creative projects. Now without further talking, let's bring these delightful crochet flowers to life and craft some stunning earrings together. Let's get started with the things needed. We will need some yarn. I'm going to be using these two colors of yarn today. Along with that, the 1.5mm steel crochet hook, 2 hook ear wires, 2 of the 6mm jump rings, the yarn needle, pair of scissors, and the flat nose pliers. These are the things required. Now let's see how to make it. We are going to start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like this and then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring and we are going to work 6 single crochets into the magic ring. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet. Again insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 single crochets. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5 and 6. After completing 6 single crochets into the magic ring, we can pull the tail tight to close it properly like this. And then we are going to join the round. So leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. After that, we will use the yarn needle to join the round. Now insert the yarn needle into the very first single crochet of the round like this. And then I'm going to thread the yarn needle and pull it from the other side like so. And then I'm going to join it to the last stitch over here. With that we have completed the round. And this is what we have done so far. And then I'm going to insert the needle into few stitches to hide the tail. And pull it from the other side. Then you can grab the scissors and cut the yarn tail off. Just like that we will hide the other tail as well. So insert the yarn needle into few stitches. Thread the yarn needle and pull it from the other side. Then grab the scissors and cut the tail off. Now we have completed the center part of the flower and we have 6 stitches around. Now we will see how to continue to round 2 to complete the petals of the flower. We will start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your pointer finger once, hold the end Again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we are ready with the slip knot. And then insert the hook into a stitch in the center part. And then we will pull the blue loop like this through the stitch. And then we are going to start working with the blue color. Now chain 3, yarn over, pull through the loop. Again yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we have completed 3 chains over here. Then we need to work 3 treble stitches into the same stitch. We will work over this tail so that we don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. So yarn over twice and then insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble stitch. Again work another treble stitch, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Again yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 3 treble stitches and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work a slip stitch into the very same stitch. So insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the first petal of the flower. We will continue to make the second flower over here into this stitch. Work a slip stitch, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work 3 treble stitches into the same stitch. One, 2 and 3. After completing 3 treble stitches, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work a slip stitch into the very same stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we have completed 2 petals over here. And then we will start the third petal. Work a slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work 3 treble stitches into the same stitch. One, 2 and 3. Then again chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the same stitch. Now we have completed 3 petals over here. Now we are going to repeat the same pattern to complete the next 3 petals as well. So complete another 3 petals and meet me back there at the end. Now I'm at the end of the round and then chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the starting point to join. With that we have completed all the petals of the flower. And then leave a little tail and you can cut the yarn off. After that we can use the yarn needle to hide the tail of the project. So insert the needle into few stitches to hide the tail and then thread the yarn needle and pull that from the other side. And if we have a tail left here, you can just cut it off by grabbing the scissors like so. Now we have completed the first flower over here. Just like that we are going to make another one as well. I have completed both the flowers here to complete the earring. Now we will see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earring. So take your jump ring and open it up using the pliers and insert that into a petal like this. And then we are going to insert the hook ear wire also into the jump ring and close it up by using the pliers. That's it. So we have completed the first earring over here. Just like that we are going to complete the other one as well. Now I have completed both the earrings here. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching Hiru Handmade.